Hello guys, welcome to another vlog. So today we are celebrating the win from France, and here we have beautiful fish. I just finished taking out the scales. So now we are just washing it properly before we just cleaning it properly. Guys, this fish, so what we're gonna do is we'll grill it, whole grill in the griller. So when you are preparing fish, make sure to take out the scales first. Take out the scales from the side and then cut the stomach open and clean it nicely. I always love to clear the gills also, or the, what you call this, I don't know, here, the gills. Because sometimes the bad blood is there. So there you go. Take that out. And also, guys, when you prepare fish, it's better do it outside the house, because the smell is so strong. Not only the smell, the scales from the fish, like it'll be just flying cover the whole kitchen. So it's better you prepare it first from outside. Take out the scales from outside and then wash it properly from outside and then bring it inside. So now it's ready. There you go, look at this fish. Katsimatana. I want to cook surwa, I want to make surwa, but nah, it's better I just grill it and make miji with cassava.
Bula 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 everyone.
Bula binaka.
This boy is making Fijian dish.
Yeah.
The smell of fish is already in the house. It's super strong. Now he's cutting the aubergine.
Huh?
Eggplant.
Yeah, eggplant.
He's trying to be a master
chef.
Yeah, we'll see if this is a master chef. I'm just super hungry and he's just super slow with his food here. This is unbelievable. Because it's already almost 5 o'clock. And we haven't eaten anything, so...
Yeah, because the girl in the house is sleeping.
The what is? Sleeping?
Yeah.
Hello, you were sleeping the full day?
Hello, so, I was awake 6 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah. He's so good in talking things which are not true. Yes, but yeah, we'll see if this Fijian dish is a nice one. So we eat it with cassava
Yeah.
or with pasta.
Yeah. Fish goes with pasta.
Yeah.
And you can eat with your grandmother in the grave.
Yeah. Good.
Okay, get one.
Get one what? So guys, have you seen the fish? So this is the main actor of this video. Hello, how are you?
Can you on the light so that
Everything is super shiny here. Yes. Cannot believe he's wearing a German jersey.
German jersey, not virgin.
German!
I
was saying,
jersey.
yeah, so this is a fish. Hey. 2 minutes ago it was still alive. Now it's here in the tree.
Yeah, it was alive. It was on the bed with the lady of the house.
So who is the lady of the house?
Can you don't put the camera closer to me?
And then I want to see your face and your shiny teeth. Yes, look at his teeth, people.
Oh, Sombo! I
Yes.
just finished eating cookies. It's black.
He has nice teeth because he's
This vlog is not about teeth. It's about preparing the
going to
food.
the dentist. But guys, do you know what? It's just funny. I will show you here. It's a gray hair. Super. Can you see that? Can you see the super gray hair? Yes, he's getting old.
This girl has to go and to do some learning online of how to do the vlog. You are not allowed to put the camera closer to the.
But I wanted to show
the
them
actor.
the wisdom in your face.
Yeah, Mr. Mura.
Yeah. So, yes. For how long should these fish go in the oven?
Open the stomach of the fish. Open.
Huh? What? I cannot open the stomach. What? Yes, people. Boy, that has a lot of bones.
Yes, this fish has super lot of.
So here you can see how fresh it is. That it was really like just few seconds ago. It was swimming and playing, and now it's ready for putting it into our mouth. Yeah, Fiji, what can you say? Happy that Fiji will eat you?
Put carrot. You put onion in the stomach.
So it's like a stomach bag.
Yeah, and some olive oil. So like that.
And then you will eat it, eh? Like.
Wash the hand.
So the followers should, when they do it, they should follow all your steps, yeah? Wash the hands, use the
Then you can dance.
dance a little bit, and cheer for Fiji.
Yes, this food is.
Yeah, cheer for Fiji. Come.
Toso Vigi Toso.
Yeah.
Toso Vigi
This is how you.
Toso Vigi
This is how you cheer for Fiji. That's really
where's one
cool.
other label?
And there. So this is how you feel for Fiji. Man, I should make a video.
Olive oil is the best. So put some olive oil, not a lot because this is going to the griller.
Oh, you will grill it?
Yeah.
Oi.
So just touch up, just rub it on both sides. But we'll wrap it in alu foil.
Oi, I thought this is.
No, you wrap it first in alu foil.
Oh no, this video is off.
It's still on.
Oi.
Oh, this girl.
So you will wrap it
It's
so
like
then
you
it is
can
like
follow.
this is like fake lobo. Okay, guys, we'll come later again and go online because now he has to clear here some things and then we can take you with us again. So, Bula once again. So now he's wrapping it into alu foil.
So put the foil.
Yeah, I have to go from the other side, otherwise the people cannot see what you're doing here.
Foil down. And then
Huh?
add some money.
Hello. Ah, nice eyes, huh? Nice shiny eyes.
Got some molly, you can put some molly there. And also, we have to cut the fish so that the heat can.
Yes. So people, especially from Fiji, who are original from Fiji, this boy is already a little bit German. So if he does something wrong, you should like correct him because he thinks this is traditional Fijian food. But
It's
I think
not traditional.
this is already a little bit mixed of German Fijian.
Yeah, this is not traditional. This is just my own style.
Oh, I thought this is traditional Fiji food.
No.
Because I thought the Fijian master chef is cooking today Fijian food.
No,
Then we can also do that with pasta. Oh, samba! All the onion is already coming out.
Put it here in the mouth.
In the
Put one more in the mouth.
yeah, so that the fish is in the last seconds of its life, so that they can taste a little bit molly.
The next step.
Clear the kitchen. Salt.
A little bit salt again.
Oh, this is a lot. Yeah, enough. Otherwise it will be too salty.
Yeah, guys, we'll like let it cook for a while, and then later we'll take out the olive oil. Just like that. Let's go and prepare the griller.
So what is the name of this dish?
Ika tavu.
What?
Ika is fish, tavu is grill.
Oh, yeah, this is, yeah. So,
Don't mind about the upside down of the house because this girl is too lazy to clean. Yeah.
this house is super clean. So this is our garden. So here you can see the this is our suitcase. It's still here from our trip to where?
Varanasi.
What? France. So this is our griller.
See, Varanasi.
Varanasi.
It's
Yes.
France in Fiji.
Yes. We'll see if this boy was a little bit lazy. He did not clean it. Have to clean it again. Yes, and I think you can hear the winter's strong, so autumn is coming. So the leaves will fall soon. They are getting already yellow and orange and red. So they will fall soon, and then it's autumn. It's cold. Yeah. Okay, on turbo, let's go. Huh? Yeah? You want to add something?
Yeah, we just hit the griller first and then we'll scrape everything. Then we clean it. It's better. Because griller, it's better you don't clean it with water. It's always better to leave some like fat or oil there. Because if you clean it with water, I've learned from that. Last time I did it and it became rust like super fast. So that's why I was just told after you grill it, just scrape it. That's it. Next time before you use it, then you clean it. Like scrape it again. We have here different types of spray. So this is a non-stick spray. This is stainless steel cleaner. So this is for the top and everything. This is for the grill. That's it. So we can start cleaning the top. So just do that. Make it shine so that
The fish is happy.
so that the
Is that the griller?
if the chefs from the 5-star resort is watching this vlog,
He can learn from you.
can learn from me. Last time we used this griller was on my birthday.
Yes. No. After your birthday, I
after
did
that.
some currywurst. Mantaplatte. Wie heet mantaplatte?
Curry sausage?
Mantaplatte. Wie heet mantaplatte? Are your eyes still weak?
No, the
Oh, the. Yeah. Okay. So what's next step? You cleaned everything now? I see a little bit, still a little bit dirty.
Yeah, wait. This is the inside.
Ah, okay.
So we're gonna use this also
For?
to clamp the fish.
But the fish is 5 times bigger than this.
Don't worry about that. Your job is just to make the video. This is the chef. You should listen.
Okay. So now he's cleaning here. What the? Yes.
See how easy it is?
Yeah.
Now you can put some spray.
Yes.
After you spray, guys, you leave it for 30 seconds.
Okay. So, finish. Okay, what do you sprayed my legs?
That's why.
So, bonjour and welcome back. So, the fish is already here waiting to that Patti put it on the grill.
Just leave it like that.
Yes, close it. So, but guys,
Take out the
Yes.
paper because this will burn.
yes. Well done. So, guys, but just look here on the side. The best milk ever. So, if you are preparing fish, you should also drink a little bit of my nice barista milk. That goes very good with this Fijian dish, with this Fijian fish and German barista milk. Mwah! Magana, banana, yeah? What can you say about that?
If it was Lolo, then I would say yes.
Yeah,
but
this
no.
is like Lolo. We will just add a little bit cocos raspberry inside, and it's like coconut milk, huh? Just look here. So as you can see, the milk is everywhere in our house. So every corner when you're going, you will see the milk because we are using it like in our daily
Guys,
program.
if you want free milk, contact Connie. Free.
Yeah, free milk, free now. Now, if you want to have this milk, you should have a big pocket money.
Okay, so now we'll leave it for 30 minutes. And fish always cook faster. So just leave it for 30
But
or 10-15 minutes. And then we'll open the foil. Like take the fish and just put it straight on the grill.
But maybe you can already start boiling your cassava.
Wait for the cassava. Cassava is just tuck.
But I'm too hungry.
Then you can start with your milk.
Drink a little bit of milk. So now, have you seen already our fridge here outside? This is the best thing ever.
This is andalo.
On top? No.
No, that's it.
Fish.
Fish, wood fish.
What is there in the blue? Yeah, we have to.
Blue is fish.
Oh yeah. We have to look for the cassava now. So when we find it, then we will come back again.
Okay. Yeah. We have to also change the battery. It's low battery. Okay, guys. Just an update. I've just turned the fish around and we'll keep it for another 10 minutes. We're also here in the house. Cassava, cooking the cassava, and this is coconut cream. Like straight from the can. I like to boil it a little bit because it's not fresh. It's from the factory, you know. You don't know how long it was in the can, so it's better for the safe side. Just boil it. And here, onion and some grated carrots for the miji, and then the eggplant will also go inside the miji, like we'll mix it together, and then fish on the side. Bang!
So guys, I am back now. So what are you doing here next?
Putting the molly
Yes, and?
Squeezing the mole into the basin. So this basin we're gonna prepare a miji.
So with coconut.
Coconut, yeah.
So with the barista milk, yeah?
So,
Okay, so coconut milk is already here in the pot. But guys, I really wanted to show you, I just came back from shower now. And like, when I came back, the smell was so strong here.
Okay,
Yeah. Yes. So the smell was so strong, I could not even like breathe properly. So this is the miji. So with the barista milk.
And then. So onion is inside.
Yeah.
Carrot.
Finish.
Try the salt. Some more.
Come on. Yeah, but I want to finish my sentence. When I came out, I was thinking the house is burning, because if I would be blind and I could not see what Patty is doing here, I would say everything is burned. The smell was so strong. So Gino wrote, outer place in Datoka, you should comment what he's doing here. If this is right or wrong, I have no idea because I'm not Fijian. I cannot cook Fijian. But you are here now, the one who should comment if this is right what he's doing or not, because for me it looks a little bit like mixed everything together and just put something in the mouth. So yeah, just see what he's doing and yeah, let us know. And yes, big lolomas to Gino Road, outer place Lautoka, where these boys coming from.
So
Where the family is already sleeping.
now the cassava is boiled. Did you put salt already?
Yep.
Okay, so now Connie will, as soon as she'll off the camera, she will clean here.
Yeah. Never ever. Okay. Mother, or shall I come with you to the fish?
Oh, it's super burning.
Oh, it smells so strong. Whew. I think this is. Hey, let me see. You are just in the way. Open, Manda. Open, Manda.
And then I open. Done.
Oh, I said open. Yeah. So here the eggplant. Oh, sticking on the foil.
What the? Katsi matana. So now we'll just open the foil so that we can pour.
That the fish can breathe a little bit?
Yeah.
Because that was a little
that the
bit.
smell of the like smoking flavor.
Yeah. Because we did a little bit Chinese style today with the fish. We just put it alive on the griller, so that is because when it's still alive on the griller, then it's super fresh, like 100%. Not take it out from the ocean and put it in the fridge. No.
So
put it alive
eggplant.
on the griller.
Yeah, eggplant is ready.
Is this not burned here, this side?
This is the back of the eggplant.
Yeah, but on the other side is the.
No, it's okay. Nice and brown.
Yeah.
So just get some smoky flavor inside.
Okay.
Another 5 minutes. So we'll just take everything and dip it in the lolo.
With the barista milk.
Okay. So Connie, can you clean the house? Alright guys. Now it's time for eating. So I already mashed the eggplant inside here. There you can see. And here the fish. Texture is super good. There inside you can see the carrot and mole onion. What the? Can't wait to put it in the mouth. Alright, now we'll say our prayer and then we'll try. Starter. Watermelon. Guys, this beautiful food which I've just prepared, my wife prefers to just eat fruits, watermelon. Mau. Okay, now miji, baigani, eggplant. Put it on the first on the plate. Some lolo. Extra moli.
Extra chili.
And chili. Some vinegar. Two pieces of bong chili. There you go. Wasa, Marika, Mai, Ciao. This is the celebration for Fiji winning against Australia. Okay, wait, just need to lay down like that. Okay. Now we'll take out some meat from the fish. We'll start with the head. Ooh, it's just breaking. Kasere. Okay, first things first. Cassava. Soak it nicely. Tonya vinaka.
But close your ears now. Now you will
And
start
eat with your hands. What? Chili. Try the fish. Do you know the name of the fish?
I knew that, but I forgot.
Scapio.
Scapio? Like scapio?
German name. Totok Malaka. So it's not that we can only eat this dish in Fiji. You can also do it here in Germany.
So how many stars?
I would say, to me it's 10. 10 over 10. The taste, just, if I close my eyes and I eat, well, just like eating the same food in Fiji. Can you hear the crunchy from the bones of the fish? Me mother. Okay guys, we'll enjoy our food now. Mother, would you like to say something about your... After this we'll have some coffee, then we'll taste the milk from this
Yeah, the thing is,
marketing manager.
he's already tasting the milk because just as a secret, he did not put coconut milk. He put barbarista milk in here in his soup there.
Alright guys, so I just finished food, had enough, and you can see here I managed to eat half of the fish, so the head. We still have some leftover miji here with eggplant, so we'll wrap this nicely and put it in the fridge. And also for this one, we'll cover it, put it in the fridge. I think till this will go bad tomorrow, but if it's still okay, I will cook it. I will cook everything and just take the fish and just put it on top over it. That would make it work, and also deep fry the cassava. So yeah, we're just having this special food today because we want to celebrate the win of Fiji.
But why are you wearing the German shirt?
Because my wife is German.
Oh.
Yeah. Next time I'll wear the pango jersey.
The Australia jersey, huh? With deep fried kangaroo. Is the stomach full? Show me the stomach. Oh, yeah. Can still see this.
Super full. I had enough. My wife asked me to finish the whole fish, and I said, no, this is for 5 people. No, I cannot finish the whole fish. I also want to eat what she's eating. Ice cream. Yeah. So guys, I'm eating this beautiful, good, fantastic, quality food, Fijian food. And this German girl just want watermelon. Did you turn off the video?
No.
Yes.
Nein.
Yeah, I think she will turn off the video. She doesn't want to record what I will say. Yeah, she just had watermelon and ice cream. Boy, it's like I don't know. How can I explain it? This beautiful, the smoky smell of the fish and the lolo and miji, eggplant.
The smoky
and
smell of the fish is everywhere in our house.
And the fresh tapioca, but she prefers watermelon and ice cream. Wait, I don't know who took the money. But later I'll have my shower and then we'll take a walk to the supermarket before it closes. And
so you don't know how this girl can survive in Fiji, yeah?
Yeah, I think when we go to Fiji, this girl should just stay in the hotel. I go to the village. She cannot. She hate cassava.
I can eat it, but I don't.
She hate fish because what she always say. What are you eating from there? It's just bones. There's no meat. Man, these German girls. Hey, German Prime Minister, President, you should teach your people how to eat the fish.
But why should I eat?
Stop giving them
the fish with
give them fish.
The fish with the bones. When I just have to take care that I'm not.
She had it.
I like to enjoy my food.
Yeah, I showed you the bones from the fish. So this fish, see how big the bones are? It's like the fish from the.
It looks like a comb.
So here. So
we can keep it as a comb.
And also here, look at this small. This is just one piece of bones, but it has many, like what you call that? Basonga, sprouts. Here, see?
Sprouts?
Yeah, like this. Sprouts, like from the flower tree. Yeah, guys, thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed the vlog today about preparing a traditional Fijian meal. But sorry, I did not show you the whole process step by step. But I just do shortcut. I just want to keep the video short because this girl want to promote the expensive milk in Germany, the most expensive milk. So after this, I will ask her.
I told you
to prepare
the barista
coffee.
milk is everywhere in our house.
After this, she will prepare me a cappuccino and then I will try the milk.
No, cappuccino is not Fijian dish.
Yes, how it's in a Fijian dish.
You will just eat tea
Okay,
with
guys,
bread.
thank you so much. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe.
So that's just funny, huh? After
subscribe, not describe, okay?
So that's just
because
funny.
Everyone
After
is calling you
Hey.
describe now.
Do you know what? Everyone.
Bunene, you turn the camera. You show your face.
No,
Stop,
they want to see your. They want to see your face.
Stop bullshitting the crowd.
So it's just funny. Yes, he wants to have Fijian dish, but when it comes to dessert, then he wants to have the German dessert. But today, Fiji food, so he will just have tea with bread. That's it. Just see his
Laugh,
face.
laugh. You will sleep outside.
We'll have the
Yes. More there.
Fiji breakfast cracker.
More there, unakabakalia